Good morning everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I have given you in the last video. We were in exercise 6.3 and so far we have finished up to question number 4, which was based on finding the square root by the method prime factorization. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. This question number 5 says, find the smallest whole number by which the following numbers should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So this question says numbers are given to you in this question. Different parts are given to you, and in that part different numbers are mentioned. You have to tell by which number, whole number, the given number should be multiplied so that it becomes what? Perfect square number. वो perfect square number बन जाए. After multiplying the number you are getting, the perfect square number, you have to find out the square root of that perfect square number. So let's start how to do this type of questions. I will attempting few questions of this question number 5. The remaining question that you will do by yourself as a homework. So I am starting with the question number 5, third part, which is 1008. You have to tell by what number this 1008 must be multiplied so that it becomes a what? Perfect square number. The method will be same. You will be using what? Prime factorization method. इसमें हम कौन क्या method use करेंगे? We will be using prime factorization method. So first of all, we will draw one horizontal line and one vertical line. So horizontal line, I wrote down this 1008 on a vertical line. We will start dividing it by what? Prime numbers. So since it contains 8 at the last, so this number will be divisible by 2. 2 से completely divide हो जाएगा. When we are dividing this by 2, so this is coming, what is 504? This is coming equals to what? 504. Again we are dividing this number 504 by 2. Why? Because it contains, at the last it contains 4, hence it will be divisible by 2 also. So when we are dividing this 504 by 2, so this is, quotient is coming 252. कितना आ रहा है बेटा? 252 is coming. Again this 252 will be divisible by what? 2 से divide हो जाएगा, because it contains at the end what? 2 is there. So when we are dividing it by 2, it is coming 126. कितना आ रहा है? 126 आ रहा है. Again this number will be divisible by what? 2, because it contains 6 at the end. So again 2 से divide करते हैं, this is 2 6 and 2 3. So we are getting what? 63. Now this is 63. Since it contains 3 at the end, so this number will not be divisible by 2. So we will check whether this number 63 is divisible by 3 or not. So for finding out whether it is divisible by 3, what we will do, we will add the digits. Digit को add करते हैं. 6 plus 3 gives you what? 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So hence this 63 will be also divisible by 3 also. When we are dividing this 63 by 3, it is coming what? 21. कितना आ रहा है बेटा? 21. We are getting what? 23. Again we will be dividing this 21. 21 is again divisible by 3. 3 से divide करें कितने times divide हो जाएगा बेटा? It will be divisible by how much time? How many times? 7 times. Then this 7 is only divisible by 7 itself. So this is 7 ones are 7. So we have expressed this 1008 as a product of prime factors. Prime factors में break कर दिया, which is equals to what? 2 multiplied 2. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is there. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 again. Then we have a 2 times 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now then multiply 7. Since we have to tell by what number this 1008 should be multiplied to become what? Perfect square number. For finding out the square root, what we do? We take the pairing. Pair, we forms the pair. Pair बनाने होते हैं same numbers के. So since 2 is coming 2 times, one pair is of 2. Again 2 is coming 2 times. Again one pair of 2 is also there. Then we have a 3 multiply 3. One pair of 3 is also there. Then there is 7. Only 7 is there. It doesn't have his pair. इसका pair नहीं है. तो for making it what the pair 7 का pair बनाने के लिए what we will do? We will multiply 1008 by 7. So what will be the answer? 7 will be the whole number that should be multiplied to 1008 to become what? Perfect square number. So we will write down 7 must be, 7, it should be 1008 must be multiplied by 7. Why 7? Because the 7 factor 7 is there whose pair is not forming. Pair form नहीं कर पा रहा है. तो इस कारण से we will be multiplying the number by what? We will be multiplying the number by 7 because 7 number is prime factor is there, which is not having a pair. So we are multiplying the number by 7. 1008 must be multiplied by 7. So to obtain perfect square number. Perfect square number. So 1008 को जब I am multiplying it by 7, so what we are getting? The perfect square number क्या होगा? 7 8 जा कितना होता है? 56. 56 का 6 carry 5. 7 0 plus 5 gives you but 5 only. Then we have what? 7 zeros again 0. 7 ones are 7. So we are getting a perfect square number as 7056. 7056 हमारा क्या है? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है. व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट इट्स फैक्टर, जब हम 7056 का अगर फैक्टर निकालेंगे तो जो अभी अपने फैक्टर्स निकाले हैं उसको तो राइट डाउन करेंगे. लास्ट में एक 7 के साथ वी आर डूइंग वी आर एडिंग वन मोर 7 बिकॉज वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 108 by 7 और 108 के जो फैक्टर्स थे वो ये थे. अगर हम इसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वी विल बी पुटिंग 7 हियर. ठीक है. सो इसके फैक्टर क्या निकलेंगे? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 देन मल्टीप्लाई 7. ये तो हमारे 108 के थे, 1008 दैट इज 1008 के फैक्टर्स थे. अब हमने 1008 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? 7 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो क्योंकि इसका एक और 7 आ जाएगा. अब हम पेयरिंग करनी शुरू करेंगे. 2 के एक पेयर बन रहा है. देन अगेन वी हैव अ पेयर ऑफ 2, देन वी हैव अ पेयर ऑफ 3 ऑल्सो, देन वी हैव अ पेयर ऑफ 7 ऑल्सो. सो द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस 7056 जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है उसका जो स्क्वायर रूट निकल कर आएगा दैट विल 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इज योर 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 7 is 84. कितना बेटा? 84 इज कमिंग. तो 7056 का जो स्क्वायर रूट है दैट इज व्हाट? 84. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. वन मोर क्वेश्चन वी आर डूइंग ऑफ द सेम type. Now the next type is the part 5th of your question number 5. In this also you have to tell by what numbers that 1458 must be multiplied so as the number obtained is your perfect square number, and you have to find out the square root of that perfect square number. The approach will be same. The number which is given you have to find out first the prime factors of that numbers. So since this is 1458, at the end there is a 8, so this number will be divisible by 2. 2 से divide हो जाएगा. So when we are dividing it by 2, this is 2 7s are 14. Then we have a 5 8, that is divide करेंगे, this is 7 2 9. When we are dividing 1458 by 2, we are getting 7 2 9. Now this is 9, so it is not at the end the number is 9. So this number will not be divisible by 2. We will check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. For finding out whether it is divisible by 3, what we will do, we will add the digits. Digits को add करते हैं. 7 plus 2 is your 9. 9 plus 9 is your 18. 18 divisible by 3. So hence this number will be divisible by what? 3. When we are dividing this number by 3, so this is coming. 3 से जब हम divided 3 2s are 6. 7 में से 6 minus करेंगे कितना है? 1. 1 और 2 कितना होगा? 12. 3 4s are 12. Then we have a 9 here. 3 3s are 9. So we are getting 243. Again this number will not be divisible by 2. We will check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So 2 plus 4 is your 6. 6 plus 3 is your 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, so hence this number will be also divisible by 3. So we are dividing this number by 3. We are getting quotient as 81. 81 quotient निकल कर आ रहा है. Again this 81 will be divisible by 3. 3 से divide हो जाएगा because 8 plus 1 again gives you 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So hence this 81 will be divisible by 3 also. When we are dividing it by 3, we are getting quotient as 27. हमें क्वेश्चन क्या मिलेगा? 27 मिलेगा. अगेन वी विल डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाई 3. 3 9 से कितना होता है बेटा आपका? 27. अगेन दिस विल डिविजिबल बाई 3. 3 3 से कितना होता है? 9. अगेन दिस विल डिविजिबल बाई 3. 3 1 वी आर 3. सो वी हैव ब्रेक दिस 1458. हमने 1458 को एक्सप्रेस किया एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स दैट इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 3 इज देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम इज देयर. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 Now we will see what all numbers are forming pairs. If you see 2 is not forming any pair, only single 2 is there. We will check whether 3 is also there or not. So they are forming pair or not. So 1 3 is forming pair. Again one more 3 is forming pair. Again, one more 3 is forming pair. So number which is not forming pair is your 2. So this number 1458 must be what? Must be multiplied by 3 to obtain, sorry, must be multiplied by 2. It should be multiplied by 2 because 2 is the number which is not forming any pair. Must be multiplied to obtain perfect square number. So we were multiplying 1458 by 2. So what will be the answer coming? The perfect square number. 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 5 is 10, and 1 kitna हुआ 11, 2 4 is 8, and 1 kitna हुआ 9, 2 1 is 2. So we are getting 2916. This is a perfect square number. 2916 will be a perfect square number. Now we have to find out the square root of this 2916. So you know that 2916 is obtained by multiplying 1458 by 2. So when we are finding out the factors जब हम find out करेंगे तो 1458 के factors लिखेंगे. We will write down the 1458 factors, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 then multiply 3. This was a factor of 1458. Since 2916 is obtained by multiplying 1458 by 2, so again there will be one more 2 in the factor of 2916. Now we will form the pairs. Pair form करेंगे numbers के. 1 2 is there and again 1 2 is there. So 2 is also forming pair. ठीक है, 2 यहाँ पे pair form कर रहा है. Then 3 is forming pair. Then another 3 is forming pair. Then another 3 is forming pair. So what we are getting? The square root of 2916 is coming equals to what? 2 multiply 3 is your 6. 6 multiply 3 is your 18. 18 multiply 3 is your 54. So the square root of 2916 is coming equals to what? 54. 2916 square root is coming equals to what? 54. I hope you understood the concept of this question number 5. The remaining part of this question number 5 that you will do by yourself as a homework. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.